Meaning of exonormative.
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 Exonormative. Exonormative refers to the dominant or prevailing cultural norms and standards imposed on individuals or groups who come from different backgrounds or cultures. It describes the pressure to conform to these norms, often at the expense of one's own identity and culture. This can lead to feelings of alienation, discrimination, and marginalization for those who do not fit the norm. In essence, exonormativity is a form of cultural imperialism that reinforces the supremacy of certain cultures over others. It can have negative impacts on individuals, communities, and society as a whole, resulting in social inequality and a lack of diversity.